magical. So cute. My voice is a bit gone. I washed my hair like an hour ago. I love like a really nude lip color. This sucks. We can't pull a 26. Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My senior prom is tomorrow and I'm so excited. I've been waiting for so long. It's like a really cute bow thing here and it's actually off the shoulders, so it actually fits on like this, right? And it's really like poofy. It's very much the princess dress that I've always wanted. It looks so much like my Insta pictures. It also comes with a petticoat, so this is gonna go under my dress and this looks massive right now, but wearing it on it's really not that bad. I actually haven't pierced my ears before, so I have these clip-on earrings. They're literally this like the same color as my dress. They're also like red. This is my necklace. I also got it off Taobao and it's a super pretty pearl necklace. And then these are my nails. I got these press-on nails. I made this a couple of hours ago with my friends. Okay, all my friends have left now and we've finished making our corsage. It's really tall for some reason. I kind of wish I made it a bit smaller. So I'm gonna work on my nails. I just have to file them and get them to fit my nail shape. So pretty. Makeup done. I am currently at my friend's house and we all just got ready for prom together. So this is my makeup and this is my hair. These are my earrings, my necklace on. These are my nails, they're so long.
I'm looking nervous about my left.
These ones aren't done.
Oh. Just like push it back on.
Guys, what the heck? This looks so magical. You see this? Dude, there's something wrong with my camera. It's like oily or something. So cute. And all of our dresses are in it too. Sweating so much. You were kind of on note, right? After party.
Oh, so romantic.
Prom is over. I got back home. My voice is a bit gone. Do you see my nails? I had 10 on my fingers and I'm left with 3. I was wearing like clip-on earrings. My left one fell off. I'm really tired. My heels are really tall too and I kind of didn't really prepare very well. I came home from my friend's house around 1 to 2 in the morning. I've never stayed out that late. Oh my gosh. Overall, prom was so fun. Like, genuinely, I had so much fun getting ready with my friends. So I'm going to take off my makeup now. I'm actually really sad because I really like my dress. Genuinely, it took me a really long time to find it, but that was like my dream dress. Hi guys. So I haven't filmed in a bit just because after prom it got kind of hectic. All my culminatings are due like now. The past 4 nights in a row I've slept past 3 a.m. and last night I pulled an all-nighter because I was finishing my physics culminating, and you can look, you see like a bit of it on the ground here. We're gonna get ready together while I do my work at the same time. It was so much fun, and like I feel like I was so much prettier that night. I keep looking back on photos. My friends low-key locked in, so I got really good photos that night. I think they're like the best photos ever taken of me. I genuinely can't find like any of my makeup. I think I left like half of my stuff at my friend's house. I kind of washed my hair like an hour ago, so my hair is still wet. Today I'm wearing this skirt and I have this really cute tank top that I just bought with the gray cardigan. I love like a really nude lip color. I feel like when I do my makeup, a lot focuses on the eyes, so I like a color that doesn't take the attention away from my eye makeup. So I just came home to eat lunch, but then I'm gonna be heading back to the school after school ends because it's senior sunset. I also came to my house because I need to get a hoodie, and then also just like a plain white t-shirt because we're doing like the thing where people sign your t-shirt.
On brand for me. You know, with sea levels rising at their current rate, we should be glad we live near a boat.
There's no one better than Joe, right? I'm better than Joe. At his age, I was counting to 10 in 3 languages.
Sharpie kind of sucks.
Why are you signing there? What the hell?
Guys, I swear. It's the most expensive Xbox I've ever gotten. Search and skull. We're on our way to the beach. Oh, that's really cool. Oh, I got this. Like, where was yours, huh? It was gone. Good memories, I guess. No, it's octopus.
20 to 25.
I'm hoping mine's is under 15. No, I'm hoping mine's is 15. Or 15 to 20. How much do you think? Dude, yours is gonna be like 25. That's really specific.
That's like, no, I'm guessing like 20. I feel like this
Oh, I think hers can be. Wait, hers is gonna be less. Hers is gonna be less than 15.
13.
Oh, I hope you're right. Guys, this is my best friend, and this is okay. What did you get?
I got signature mama bra.
Hi guys. I haven't been vlogging the past couple of days just because I was a little bit lazy. But my exam starts tomorrow. I have 3 exams this semester. Me and my friend were going to go to the library and we're gonna stop by and get lunch first. And I'm just waiting for the bus. I did some really light makeup today. Focus Town is basically like a Pomodoro timer in Animal Crossing form. Okay, let me show you.
Oh, is that what you guys had up? I thought you guys were playing games. Oh my gosh, I was like,
See like. Okay.
that actually looks like a schoolgirl uniform.
Yeah.
But in a cute way.
Yeah. Okay, guys, the cafe closes at 7, but we didn't know, right? So it's like what, 6?
It's 6:04, but the bus is coming in 25 minutes. What if these are beautiful faces?
You wanna do these ones again? No, we're gonna be referencing this every single time. We can't pull a 26.
we don't talk like that.
Carriage. Unfortunately, I woke up really late today. I had my alarm set and everything, but I just didn't hear any of them for some reason. I'm gonna finish the rest of my makeup and then I'll come back. I can't do my makeup. I'm just going to brush out my hair and then I'm gonna quickly get dressed. I gotta go. Chop chop. pretty steady. That took so long to figure out though. What was the ceremony?
Just graduated.
This is the end of the vlog then. Thank you so much for you know, watching me document my high school years. I think I started like midway into my junior year, and now I'm graduating. I'm gonna be heading off to university. You know, guys, thank you for watching my videos, and thank you for people who have been here since the beginning. You know, thank you so much. This is the end of the vlog, and I'll see you guys next time.